Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Bluetooth not pairing issue on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. And now let's get started. Let's begin with some basic troubleshooting steps. First, check if Bluetooth is enabled on your system. You can do this by clicking the network icon in the taskbar to open the Quick Settings panel. From here, ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. If it is off, go ahead and enable it. Next, turn on flight mode for a few seconds, then turn it off again. This will help refresh the wireless services. Now try connecting your Bluetooth device again. If it still does not pair, I recommend restarting both your Windows laptop and the Bluetooth device you are trying to connect. If the problem persists even after restarting, the next step is to troubleshoot the Bluetooth service on your system. To proceed, open Windows Search, then type CMD. Right-click on CMD and run Command Prompt as administrator. If prompted, click Yes to allow it. Now, we are going to enter a command that sets the Bluetooth support service to start automatically. I have also added this command in the video description for your reference. Type this command or paste it into the command prompt and press Enter. If you see a message saying Change Service Config Success, that means it worked. Now check if your Bluetooth issue is resolved. If not, let us run the system troubleshooter using CMD, open Command Prompt again, and this time, type this command. I will also provide this command in my video description so you can copy and paste it in your command prompt. Then press Enter. This will launch the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. Click on Advanced. Make sure Apply Repairs Automatically is checked, and then click Next. Windows will now scan for hardware-related issues and attempt to fix them automatically. Lastly, I recommend checking your file system for any potential issues. To do this, in the command prompt window, type sfc/SCANNOW, then press Enter. This will begin scanning your system for any corrupted or missing files. The process might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once it completes, restart your computer. This should help resolve any remaining issues with Bluetooth pairing on your system. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.